Hey, good evening. This is GK from your friendly weekly investment channel. And today is Thursday, March 16th. The markets are now closed. What a what a remarkable comeback today, guys. The markets have been really beaten down. But today looks like a pretty much happy ending. Let's quickly look at the market action. Let's look at the markets today. You're looking at the SPY daily and a 1 year chart. So if you look at it, I think it's kind of bouncing around 375, 379. Somehow they like this area 379. This is the place it has been very successful in bouncing off, and it has again happened. So let me just zoom a little bit. If you look at it, 380 few days ago, and then again it dropped down to 381, and then again it didn't give up. It looks like the trend is up. It never took off the previous day's low, right? So as mentioned earlier today, this is pretty much looking good. I don't see that there is um, any any issues whatsoever, other than the markets are very volatile to the financial meltdown. So SPY looking pretty good, um, and it went up to 395 today. So this is the area it has to bounce, right? And it has to stay above this for a long time to really say that the next range is somewhere 405 to 425, right? That's a $20 range. Um, Hopefully, all the bad news is baked in, but still there are Fed's headwinds are still there, right? The rate hike headwinds are still there. At this point, there's a little bit of a bumpiness, turbulence because of financial meltdown, but we have to see how long this can continue. But definitely, market is not in the oversold area, but it is very close to oversold area. So this is the one that you're looking at it, the oversold versus overbought. Um, but yeah, SPY looks like it wants to go up. Let's look at the ES futures. Yes, and ES futures are trading negative, like -$1. Um, so 399.93, which means it's 393 in SPY. So SPY, where did it trade? Intraday 396, and probably see around 393 is where it is currently trading right now. So just that you don't see this time on sale, but it is trading around 394, 393. Like bid ask is 394 now. So definitely a remarkable bounce. Um, the crude was the lowest yesterday. Let's look at crude. Then there was a massive industrial sell off as well. So if you look at daily, it's just bouncing off of this level here. So really, It looks like it's a turning around, but we'll have to give few days to really figure out if this is a real bounce or there is something else behind it. Let's look at the industrials XLI. See, that was sold off yesterday and it is bounced around 200-day moving average. So everything is kind of tying it back to the financial meltdown. So at this point, um, you know, the markets are trying to bounce, but we have to wait and see overnight where it goes. The futures are trading negative. Definitely, you know, but on the SPY, it's probably trading at the upper end of the channel. So I don't have any concerns on SPY for now. 370, 370 is the level we have to look at. The middle of the channel is somewhere around 365, 360, 365, and then 348 is the lowest, at least for now. Thank you guys for tuning in. Talk to you guys again really soon. Cheers. Hello, guys. Thank you for tuning in. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. Cheers.